did he get a Christmas gift before me? You done got this dog a jacket and a chain.
And why you mad because you didn't get one?
Hey, do you want to go to Gamma and Gampa's? Yeah, Gamma and Gampa's? Should we go? Let's go.
Oh, hell no.
Never like us.
I gotta go. You put your paw there. I gotta go. Grandma, no! His paw. Mom, look at his paw. Look at his paw.
Quick reaction. Not your dog.
Come on. Okay, I got the ball. Come on. Oh! Gus.